Hi, this is a 1922 bungalow, and the reason I'm making this video is because I've been in search of certain questions regarding boiler maintenance of old boilers. Basically, I have a 1922 bungalow, and it comes equipped with the original boiler from 1922, and I need to do some basic maintenance on it because it's the beginning of the winter and it's time to get her rolling. We're going into the basement, into the boiler room. And this boiler is made by Arco. And you can see all the different plumbing around it to make it work. It's kind of complicated, but this information I'm going to convey is basically information I've received from technicians coming out to the house, servicing the boiler, and I hope this video helps a little bit. Basically, this is the sight glass. This is the water level in the boiler, and it's adjusted through this orange water knob right here. I fired the boiler up this morning, and so I'm going to go ahead and clean it out. And basically what I'm cleaning out is the residue from these pipes. I'm not sure what they're made of, some type of steel, but those pipes have corrosion in them, and I'm going to go ahead and clean it out. So this morning I fired it up. I let the water boil. As the water boils in the boiler, this sight glass water in the sight glass goes up and down, and this little handle here is what cleans out the residue. This device right here is a low water stop, so in the event that the water goes down to a certain point, a predetermined level, it shuts off the gas to the boiler. So this yellow handle here is what opens a valve to take the water out of the boiler. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. It should come out a little bit dirty due to the residue in the pipes. And there it comes out, a little bit dirty real fast. Not too much dirt in that water. So I'm going to go ahead and let it run for a minute. And I'm going to shut it off since the water is clear. And I'm going to go ahead and replenish the water supply. The technicians told me that it needs to be a little bit below half. So I let a little bit of water out, so I'm going to let a little bit of water in. There we go. I'm not going to let too much in because it's already kind of where I want it. And there we go. I'm going to open up the boiler, give you a quick view of inside of this thing. I have it off right now so you won't see any flames or anything, but that's where the water's stored, I believe. And in here is where all the gas comes in to heat the water up. So I hope that helps a little bit. Some really quick basics on the water level. The technicians told me, which makes sense, that the higher the water level, the more water that's in the boiler. Okay? So when that water heats up and the steam is created as the water boils, it takes a lot longer for that water to boil when it's full. When the boiler is halfway or less than halfway, the water will boil faster, producing more steam. So that's why he said to have it a little bit below the middle. And I think it's a little bit high, to be honest with you. I'm going to go ahead and get a little bit more water out of here. And see where it comes up. It takes a second for it to rise. There we go. And that's about where I want it. And also, when the water is boiling in the boiler, you'll see this water fluctuate. It's not a good time to measure the water, and it's not a good time to drain the water because all the sediment from the pipes is in the water all mixed up. And you'll notice if you look closely in the sight glass when it's boiling, you'll see a lot of sediment in there. So if you're going to clean your boiler out, the best time to do it is when it's been shut down for about an hour, hour and a half to let that sediment settle. And if you don't do it on a regular basis, the float valve in this unit right here will get clogged up. So if your unit was running and you go ahead and you put this yellow handle to the up position, it should stop the gas coming to the boiler and the boiler will stop. And that's about all I have for you. Like I said, I'm a no voice in this arena, and I'm just putting this video out here to help people that may come across the same questions I have that can't be answered. So I hope this helps, and maybe I'll make more videos in the future of some of the quagmires of this old house I'm trying to operate here. All right, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. And if you have any suggestions, feel free to post them up there. I appreciate it. Bye.